This is Bizz intelligence. Do you want to extract subtext from the text and you don't want to use any formula like left, right, mid and length? Then watch this video till end and I will show you magical feature of Excel which will help you to extract subtext of text without using any function or formulas. If you have names in your dataset and if your manager asks you to extract first name, middle name and last name from that data, then probably you will have to write down these lengthy left, right and search formulas and even mid formula to extract those results. Right? So I will show you how to do that without using even these formulas and without using text to column tool. There is a very powerful feature in Excel 2013 and above version which will help you to save your time of writing these lengthy formulas. So I will show you how to do that without using any formula or function. What you have to do is you have to just write down the pattern of your result, that means what result you are expecting. So I want first name from this full name, so I will write first name for the first cell and I will hit enter. Now select all this range including the cell where you have given the expected result and hit Ctrl plus E key. And boom, you will get the result what you expect without writing any formula, function or without using any text to column tool. This feature is flash fill feature which is available in 2013 and 16 as well. So in this feature what you have to do is you have to just provide the pattern of your expected result and flash fill will automatically identify what result are you expecting. For example, here I have one more field called SSN number where I have hyphens after every third number or second number. Now I want to convert this SSN number into this format. For that I will just specify the expected result pattern and I will select the range including the cell where I have given the pattern and I will press Ctrl plus E and boom, you will get the result without writing any formula or function. That's pretty simple guys, and you don't now need to write down all those lengthy formulas, and flash fill function will save a lot of your time. I hope you like this trick and you will save a lot of your time by using flash fill